Today we are solving a Rubik's Cube, like practicing doing it. So let's do this. Maybe that one. 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 Speed run this now. We did it. Wait, is it completely solved? It's completely solved. We solved the Rubik's Cube. We figured out how to use the face cam. Now we're going to try this again. Okay.
Strips away the social garments and leaves you as a naked animal bare earth.
Speed run this. We're about to get home.
And without the everyday
Look, I got the face cam.
of reciprocity, of generosity, of dealing with your family, your friends, your neighbours, in what we take for granted as a human way. Instead, being faced with those daily cruel
Okay, so all we gotta do is
breaking taboos,
done.
eating forbidden things, choosing
Hello.
painfully how you're going to share